Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to improve editing feature in the Splice. Splice already offers powerful editing tools and it is a video and maker powerful yet beginner friendly mobile video editing app that lets you create professional looking videos directly from your phone. With simple drag and drop controls, built-in features, music transitions and text tools, Splice make editing quick and easy even if you're new to video editing. Whether you're making content for any of the socials or personal memories, Splice helps you turn raw clips into polished video into minutes. So first, but improving how to use those features can make your videos look more professional and engaging, and here's how you can improve editing quality inside the Splice. So first, you need to have a Splice app. If you do not have a Splice app yet, you can go to the App Store or the Play Store and download it from there as well. And once you reach into this official dashboard of this Splice, in the top right corner we can find this three dot icon. You need to tap on the three dot icon there. Over here, select this privacy setting on the bottom. And once you reach into this interface of your privacy setting, there's an option for the improve our editing features. What you can do is simply toggle on this icon there, and by enabling this you can authorize Splice to collect the access and use images, videos and audio recordings to improve the photo or the video editing features. And if you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.